match begins in 3, 2, 1, go. Autonomous has begun. 2 robots for the Red Alliance, moving 1 for the Blue. A specimen already successfully scored from Green Exit Program. Ghost Wolves lining up with a sample for that high basket, slowly but surely scoring that sample. Green Exit Program sliding some samples over to their human player. Their second attempt to push one over unfortunately gets stuck underneath the robot. Their robot trying to do what it can to get on what looked like would have been push a third sample. Unfortunately, due to that sample underneath them,
pick up your controllers.
The robot got stuck. Hopefully they can get themselves off of that sample.
2, 1.
Teleop has begun. Drivers now in control of their robots. Ghost Tigers lining up with a sample for the Red Alliance. Green Exit Program going to see what they can try to do to get themselves unstuck from the sample underneath them. Maybe their teammate will be able to help them on. Crash and Burn for the Blue Alliance, lining up sample in hand, going for that high basket, successfully scoring that. Absolute hack for the Blue Alliance, also having a sample in hand, dropping it off to their teammate. Green Exit Program still trying their best to get that sample out from underneath them. Crash and Burn getting another sample into that high basket. Absolute hack lining up with a blue sample from the floor. Those preset samples. Green Exit Program successfully getting the sample out from underneath them, pushes it over to their human player, making it into a specimen. One minute remaining in the match as Crash and Burn gets another sample into that high basket. Accidentally getting a little stuck. Thankfully for them, they're able to get themselves off of that. Heading over to grab another sample. Their teammates, Absolute Hack, continuing to push the samples back and forth to them, making it easier so they have less distance to travel. Green Exit Program grabbing a specimen from the human player. Lining up with that high chamber, just a little over 30 seconds remaining. Unfortunately, the specimen doesn't quite get onto that high chamber. 30 seconds remaining in the match. Crash and Burn adding another sample to that high basket. Ghost Wolves over on the Red Alliance side, continuing to cycle back and forth from the submersible to those high baskets, successfully getting another sample in. Green Exit Program trying to line themselves up. 10 seconds remaining in the match. Crash and Burn parking themselves on their teammates doing the same. Ghost Tigers on the Red Alliance up onto that high chamber. Green Exit Program parked in the observation